I Love My Tutu by Frances Gilbert, illustrated by Erin Unton. It is time to get ready for school. I put on my dress, I put on my socks, I put on my shoes. I put on my tutu. No, you cannot wear a tutu to school, but I love my tutu. It is time to get ready for swimming lessons. I put on my swimsuit, I put on my swim cap, I put on my swim goggles. I put on my tutu. No, you cannot wear a tutu for swimming lessons, but I love my tutu. It is time to get ready for soccer. I put on my uniform, I put on my shin guards, I put on my cleats, I put on my tutu. No, you cannot wear a tutu for soccer, but I love my tutu. Can I wear my tutu to art class? No, you cannot wear a tutu to art class. Can I wear my tutu camping? No, you cannot wear a tutu camping. Can I wear my tutu to the fair? No, you cannot wear a tutu to the fair. But I love my tutu. Can I wear my tutu to ballet class? Yes, you can wear your tutu to ballet class. I love my tutu. We love our tutus too. The end.